Hello and welcome to Website Masterclass. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own website right now for less than $20. The whole process takes you around 10 minutes and is super easy to do. But before I show you, make sure you give this video a like and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Doing so will give you access to all our free tutorials and you'll be creating your own amazing websites in no time. Alright, let's get to the masterclass. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through all the steps on how you can create your own website right now. I recommend watching the whole video from start to finish first. Then leave the video open in a separate browser or tab and jump back to the different steps as you follow along yourself. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click the link in the description below that says Check Domain Name. Now enter the domain name you want to choose. This is going to tell us if the name is available or not. In our tutorials, we are going to use an example for a pizza restaurant in LA. So let's try johnspizza.com. And click Check. Okay, so that one is not available. How about johnspizzala.com? Great, that is available. So johnspizzala.com is going to be our website domain name. Step 2 is to click Buy Domain and Hosting. Here you can see the different packages and prices on offer. If it is your first website, I would suggest choosing the basic package. So to choose basic, click Add to Cart. Now enter the domain name you chose in the previous step. In this example, it is johnspizzala.com. Click Search. Here you can see other options available to you, but as explained in the previous video about 10 things you need to know when choosing a domain name, we want .com. If you have not seen that video yet, I recommend you go and watch it first before you choose your domain name. It's got some really useful tips that will help you get started. I will leave a link in the description below. So we want .com in our website name, so let's click Select and Continue. We are now in the cart. You can see you now have your domain name and hosting package ready to go. So go ahead and click Purchase. You should automatically be taken to this page. If not, it is under My Hosting. The final step is to install WordPress onto your site. Click Manual WordPress Setup. These are going to be your login details, so enter any username and password you wish. And click Continue. Now choose your location that is nearest to you. And click Continue. GoDaddy will now create your WordPress site and all the backend files and databases. This will take a few minutes, so do not close the window. Once the setup is complete, you should be directed to this screen. If not, you can find it under My Account and then Managed WordPress. So we finally want to attach our custom domain name to the site. To do this, simply click Add Custom Domain and click Attach. And the process is complete. To access WordPress dashboard, click Edit Site in the top right corner. The next videos are going to explain to you what this dashboard is, plus all the features WordPress has, so don't worry if this looks confusing right now. You can check to see if your site is online by hovering over the site name and clicking Visit Site. And there you have it. You now have a working live website that is ready for you to edit and design. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you have hit that subscribe button to get all the latest tutorials first. If you have got any questions, just comment down below and I will do my best to answer them for you, and I'll see you in the next video.